and that means one thing. It's time to get our garages organized. I want to show you my own garage up-leveling project here at my own home. Now, it's not a traditional before and after because I was pretty organized already, but I'm going to show you how to optimize space, how to go through the process, set your goals, and end up with an extra room in your home. Okay, on to the organizing process. First, you have to start with your goals. For me, I wanted this garage to be an additional play space for my kids and their friends. Next, you have to categorize your space. Now, we already had our garage pretty well categorized. Trevor has a whole wall of recreation stuff because he's in charge of the fun. And I have a whole wall of household stuff because I'm in charge of function. So macro categorize your space. Next, you have to design it. So get out the tape measure, figure out what you want, draft it on some paper. Then I hired a designer and we actually made professional drawings and chose the materials. And then you have to stage the stuff in the meantime during construction, right? So we collapsed our cabinets or our open shelves to the middle of the room and we could still build around the perimeter. But you might need to actually hire a temporary storage unit that you put in your driveway, especially in inclement weather. So that's the process for your garage organizing. Well, it's a big day for the Norris family. Today, we are putting cabinets in our garage. I am so excited because we've been pretty organized with what we had. We just had open shelves. But today is the day we make the garage look like a room. So we're beginning this process of getting everything behind closed doors. Construction is underway. I'm so excited to show you the outcome. I'm so excited that we're finally gonna have room for all this recreation stuff. RC cars, sleeping bags, fishing gear. It's gonna be awesome. Right now they are getting started building the platform for all of the cabinets so that we can still sweep under them and keep it clean in here. Once the construction is done, the reloading phase begins. Even if you custom designed your storage like I did, plan on investing some time to get like items together, adjusting shelves, and optimizing the space by category. Also, keep frequently used items like overflow cleaning supplies and paper products close at hand. The garage is complete and I love it. It's easy on the eye. It's beautiful to drive into. These cabinets along the side walls have really made it feel like an enclosed room. The kids can play ping pong. They can ride their scooters around. We can get 2 cars in here. It's glorious. I'm going to show you a few highlights. On my side of the garage, you remember, is household things. And this is my favorite completed cabinet. I've got all of my little bins, I've got my candlesticks, all my signage, and my lanterns because I love to decorate. And now everything's behind closed doors so I can access it, but I don't have to see it. On the recreation side, this is my favorite cabinet because it's all the kids' stuff. Lightsabers, Nerf galore, ping pong, frisbee, it's all in one place and neatly contained. Well, I hope this inspires you to tackle your own garage. You know, organizing is about more than just the process. It's about taking back your space. So keep that goal in mind and you can open up whole new rooms for your family's enjoyment.